So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Facebook recent search not showing wrong clear cache and update and fix. So clear Facebook app cache. Cache files sometime become corrupted and stop recent searches from displaying correctly. In Android, go to settings, then tap apps or Facebook, then select storage and cache, then tap clear cache. In iOS does not have a direct clear cache option. Instead, open setting, then journal, then iPhone storage. Tap Facebook, select offload app or delete and reinstall the app. Second is log out and log back in. A temporary account sync issue can prevent recent searches from appearing. Open Facebook and tap the menu. Scroll down and select logout. Close the app completely. Reopen Facebook and log in again. This refresh your account data and search history. Third is update the Facebook app. An outdated Facebook version may cause search history glitches or missing recent searches. Open Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Then search for Facebook, then tap update if available. Restart the app after updating. Fourth is reinstall the Facebook app. If the problem continues, reinstalling the app can fix corrupted app file. Uninstall Facebook from your device. Restart your phone. Install Facebook again from the Play Store. Log in and check the search bar. Thank you.